Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Reston, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak that's right down near the corner, and I noticed a few different things that's causing a leak. Now also, there's a piece of siding on the other side, on the back side, that you cannot see, that's cut a little bit short from the J channel, and that would only cause a leak when there's a driving rain towards the back. But that very likely has nothing to do with this leak here. And one thing I did notice is when I lifted up the shingles where the roof and the wall meet, the contractor fastened nails into the step flashing underneath. And that's something you never do, because eventually the water will seep right through the nail in the flashing, and the water will settle at the lowest point. So what we need to do is remove all the roofing material where the roof and the wall meet. Any flashing that's damaged can be repaired or replaced with new. And then we're going to re-shingle this area. Now, another thing, when there's a driving rain towards the back wall, you can see there's two seams here in direct alignment with each other, and look how much the overlap is. It's only about 1/4 of an inch. So again, when there's a driving rain, the water can get behind the siding, drop behind the wall, settle behind the step flashing, and then leak at the bottom. So this is a simple fix. All we need to do is just pull back the siding, seal inside here, and then press the siding into the ceiling. Now, after the siding is done and the roof is done, the home will still leak. And I'll show you why. Because of this pipe flange. I checked the fastening procedures around the sides. It's all good. Yeah, there's no nails exposed in the flashing, but right here at the key, you can see there's a nail exposed. So when there's a heavy rain, the water can seep right through the sides of the nail, travel underneath the shingles, drop behind the siding, and again, settle at the lowest point. So we need to fix everything, because if we don't, this leak will continue, and then the homeowner is going to end up developing mold.